Kitchen. Today I'm going to make you a very delicious coleslaw. Okay, first I have my cabbage already shredded, and I have my carrots as well. So then I'm gonna make my dressing. So I'm gonna some mayonnaise, some unsweetened milk, and some sugar, and about a tablespoon. Okay, so I'm gonna mix this together. And then I'm gonna add a little vinegar. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna add my cabbage. I'm gonna add my carrots. I'm just gonna fold them together. So this is my delicious coleslaw. So I'm gonna have a taste. This is delicious. So subscribe to my YouTube channel, Yvette's Kitchen. Live, love, laugh, and enjoy.